there, it's Aubrey from Experian. If holiday spending is bringing you fear instead of cheer, don't worry, you're not alone. Here's 6 side hustles to get your holiday budget under control. First, get a seasonal job. Retailers need extra employees around the holidays. If you need extra cash, it's a perfect match. Just remember, seasonal jobs, like the holidays, end after the new year. Next, sell things you don't use. Clothes, appliances, unwanted furniture. If you don't use it, get rid of it. This is an easy way to make some extra money from home. Third, freelance work is a flexible and lucrative way to earn some extra cash. Use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to put those web design, editing, or other in-demand skills to use. Or if you're an animal lover like me, and the thought of taking care of fur babies gives you the zoomies, dog walking, cat sitting, or even boarding animals at your place are good ways to bring in cash. Fifth, if you love teaching, tutoring might be a good way to start making money on those English, math, or coding skills. Finally, driving food for a delivery app is always an easy way to earn some money fast, with flexible hours to accommodate your lifestyle. But no matter what side hustle you pick up this holiday season, make sure it's in tandem with spending strategically and creating a budget. Not only does a budget help you know where your cash is going, it also helps you set aside funds for specific goals, like, holiday shopping. Well, I like that. Be sure to check out our video on how to create the perfect holiday budget. And, as always, check out the Experian blog for even more ways to make a little extra cash this holiday season.